Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, a big announcement from Online Study for You. As promised, data structure and algorithm, Java, Python, and operating system. Handwritten notes from basics for all the branches are available free for you. You can go through the content as well. So we have put data structure and algorithm, handwritten notes, Python, handwritten notes from basics, operating system, handwritten notes from basics, and then Java handwritten notes. Please watch the video till the end. I will be explaining how can you get it for free. Okay, now friends, yesterday when I had put a community post, so definitely I got a very good response. And earlier Java was not planned, but after seeing the students were asking for Java notes as well, so that also we have added it here. Okay, now friends, once you click on this PDF file, you can see the index and all will open. Like, so we have like data structure introduction, classification, introduction to algorithm. Okay, so all the index has been given, and accordingly you will be also able to start with this data structure or whatever. If you want to learn Python, operating system, so if you are preparing for the placement, then it is definitely going to be useful. Friends, I don't know how much useful it is going to be, but I am damn sure it will be very useful for you. Now, so coming to this point here, many of the students were asking, sir, why are you charging 1 rupees for all four data structure, Java, Python, and operating system handwritten notes? Then friends, the reason is, see, I could share it on our community post or by email, but what will happen, many people will download it and they will start selling it. So I mean Online Study for You had a vision of helping a student in difficult time. See, the difficult time which we are going through, definitely I don't want to earn anything from you guys. Okay, so what we have done is, so by some mechanism we have encrypted it, so nobody will be able to download it. So you can only read, you cannot download it. So the circulation of material will not happen, and nobody will be able to earn from this material. So that is the reason we are charging 1 rupees. Okay, and that too you can see here. So it will go for the internet handling charge, GST and all. Okay, so we are not definitely going to earn anything. So earlier post, if you'll see, I had put 3 rupees, but that also we have decreased, and we have made only 1 rupees. Okay, now so friends, see, the only intention here is you learn, utilize this time, upskill yourself, because once the hiring will start, see, now don't ask questions on hiring. Okay, so whenever the hiring is going to start, it will be definitely useful for you. So you keep reading, keep applying for different companies whichever we put it on our channel. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon. Whatever I can do, whatever we can do it for you, we will definitely do it. Okay, and share this with your friends as well, so that everybody will be able to utilize this. Okay, now, so friends, now I will tell you how you can avail this course. Okay, so on your mobile Play Store, just search for Online Study for You app, or the link will be given in description, so that will also take you here. Okay, so on your Play Store, just search for Online Study for You app, and then you have to install it. Okay, and then you have to give your contact number or your email ID, and with OTP you will be able to go inside the app. Okay, and then in the left corner you can see store, right? Okay, now in the store, if you'll check, so you'll be getting data structure, algorithm, Java, Python, and operating system handwritten notes. And that you have to click, and then you have to buy for how many rupees? Only for 1 rupees. Okay. Now, and if somebody is looking for definitely the free courses, so that also you will be able to get here. So study material, go to your profile and then click on study material. So this you will be able to download it. So here we have put some documents like unit digit concepts and problems, partnership concepts and problems on edges, pipe and cisterns, number divisibility test, simple interest, problems on numbers, time and work, compound interest, clocks concept, number series, calendar concept, multiplication of squares, boards and stream, average. Okay, sample resume, Wipro NLTH paper, pseudocode Capgemini comprehensive material, Wipro NLTH slot questions and answers. So these many materials. So this you will be able to get it easily. This is completely free. Okay, and for all these handwritten notes we are charging you 1 rupees. So friends, thank you, and if you really like this initiative, do not forget to comment and get it and start your study from today. Thank you, take care, All the very, very best. You all get placed very soon, man. That is what at Online Study for You we want.